Good day, Ma'am Jermaine. Today I'm here to present my library system, but first I'm gonna show you my admin side. So let's put in the credentials. Type in the password. This is my admin dashboard. You can see total books, borrowed books, available books, total users, and other more analytics. But now let's go to the manage books. Here we can add new books, we can view, we can edit, we can archive, and then can delete. We also have filter by category. We can search books with the OOP, and we can filter them by categories. Let's filter it with ebooks. We can only see ebooks books. Now let's add a new book. So first let's choose a image cover. Let's put in the title, and then the description. And then let's choose the category, which is culinary, and then save books. Let's view the books we added. Let's try to edit it. Let's edit the description. As you can see here, the description was edited. Let's try to archive the books. So when we archive the books, we can see it in the archive sections. We can unarchive it, and then we'll see it again, and then we can delete the book. Next is the manage users. So we can see here analytics, and then we can also see the user list. We can filter it by roles, admin, user, and then filter it by genders, male, female, and other. We can search it users by name or email. We can edit, delete. Next, let's go to reports. We can see a bunch of analytics, total borrows, active books, overdue books, and then next is the profile. We change name, admin, and then the password. But first, let's change their name. You can see here, change to administrator. That's all for the admin side. Next thing that I'm gonna show is the user side, but first we need to create an account. Let's type in the credentials. The year level, password, and then let's confirm the password. And then let's log in the created account. Sign in. This is my user side dashboard. We can see the borrowed books, the reserved books, and other more analytics, recent activity, recommended for you, and recently added books. So now in the browse books, we can see the books that has been added. We can filter it by categories. And then we can view the books, categories and descriptions, and its title. And then we can borrow the books. And when borrowing it books, we can see it in my borrow books. We can see it borrow in there. There's a filter for borrow and all. Let's return the books. Then it will be in the return section. Next, I'm gonna show you is the writer review. We can see here the book reviews. In the select book options, we can choose a books. You can put a rating, and then the reviews. So let's choose a book. Let's rate it. And then let's write our review. submit the review. And here we can see our reviewed books. Next function is the chat box. It's a chat support where we can messages by questions, but here are some quick question examples. What are your opening hours? It's open by Monday to Friday. How to borrow book? I will answer. Return policy, and then the book renewal. Next, the FAQ. We can see here the bunch of related frequently asked questions, and then the user side also have its own profile section, which you can change the name, email address, and then change passwords. Let's update our name. Let's put in a middle initial. Save changes. You can see it changes the name. Then last is the notification. When you mark it already, it will say all caught up. And that's all for my library system.